Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to be fixing one of the most frustrating parts about owning a Silverado. It's the leaking third brake light. Now, this is a really common issue with these Silverados, and all it really is a seal on the third brake light right here that just fails, and it leaves this mess. A lot of people have molding problems, a lot of people just have the water stains like I do, but it's definitely not good to look at, so we're going to go ahead and take care of it today. So for this, we're going to start off by cleaning with this Chemical Guys lightning fast stain extractor. I've used this before. Stuff absolutely rocks. And in conjunction with that, I'm going to use these drill brushes. These things really help versus trying to agitate it with just your hands, and those can really pull a lot of stains out fast. And then we're going to be using this silicone, some GE clear silicone for the third brake light, puller, Phillips head screwdriver. This is pretty much all you need to fix this. Alright, now that definitely makes quick work of it. Really just use that drill brush, that spray, and then I try to wipe off as much of the residue as I can. I would probably protect your glass and your seats. I kind of sling it all over. But again, this looks perfect. We'll see what it looks like when it dries up. Let's move on to fixing the problem. Okay, so up here at the third brake light is a T20 torque screw. Alright, as you can see right here, this seal right here is very nice and squishy. The seal on the top is completely compromised. It's kind of dry rotted and compressed really hard down, so you can see that's where all that water is coming in. So let's take a soapy water mix, spray this down, clean it up, get it so that sealant can adhere nicely. Alright, it's just a little continuous bead. Doesn't have to be terribly pretty, but you definitely don't want to put too much on there to where it can seep out over this edge, so not too hard. Alright, now it has actually been about 3 weeks since I recorded this video and made that fix. No signs of staining, no nothing. Still looks really good. So definitely recommend doing this if you guys had the same problem as me. Let me know if you guys have any other questions.